Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update make.com scenarios for e-commerce order syncing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your make.com scenarios for e-commerce order syncing, first log into your make.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where your existing scenarios are displayed. Locate the specific scenario you want to update for e-commerce order syncing. Click on the scenario to open its configuration interface. Review the current configuration and identify the components related to order syncing. Next, check the data source you are using for e-commerce orders. Ensure that it is connected properly and that all necessary permissions are granted. If the source is not connected, click on the Add a Connection button to integrate it. Once the data source is verified, examine the modules involved in the scenario. Make adjustments to any outdated modules that may not support the latest e-commerce features. If new modules are available that enhance order syncing, consider adding them to your scenario. To do this, click on the Add Module button and search for the relevant e-commerce module. After adding the new module, configure it according to your e-commerce platform's requirements. Ensure proper mapping of fields between your e-commerce data and the new module. Next, set up filters to refine the data that will be synced. Use filters to specify conditions under which orders should be processed and synced. Review the order fields being synced to ensure they meet your current business needs. Test the updated scenario to confirm that all data flows seamlessly. Click the Run Once button to execute the scenario manually to check for errors. Monitor the execution logs for any issues that may arise during testing. If errors are detected, go back to the relevant module and make the necessary corrections. Once satisfied with the test results, save the updated scenario. Finally, schedule the scenario to run automatically based on your preferred timing. This completes the update process for your make.com e-commerce order syncing scenarios. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.